Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my mom's makeup. How are you doing?
Good, good.
Alright, I already put the primer on her face, so we're just going to hop straight into foundation. Let's see here. How does this come off? No, you don't need to, Mom. It's... Oh, peeled open. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Alright.
So what are we doing right now?
Foundation. That's what we're
With
doing.
your little Eggie.
Beauty blender.
She just wants reason to beat my face.
So, why did you start YouTube, Mom?
I was encouraged by a very persistent child.
Okay.
Any idea who that might be, dear?
No clue.
Neither do I.
Alright, we're gonna go into that Milani's concealer. Just get those dark spots that she got going.
You my old age spots.
Mm-hmm. I'm not gonna cover them all up.
I don't have that many.
Alright, now I'm just gonna do your loose powder to make it not look wet. This powder here. Have you already used this?
No.
You have. Get that nut. These wet spots. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the eyeshadow, and she's going to be using the Profusion Nude Bliss palette, as well as the Profusion palette in the Moms. Is that how you say it? Okay. So we're going to go in with. I gotta pick it up and show you. We're gonna go in with this like reddish kind of. What would you describe it? Pinkish brown, red.
Maybe like a, I don't know. It looks like a desert color.
Okay.
Maybe a kind of a light brick.
Can't open this. So this, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna spray a little bit on the brush.
What is it?
It's setting spray, but this also helps with the pigment of the eyeshadow too. But you want to make sure your brush isn't too wet or it will mess up the eyeshadow. Alright, so we're going to go in with that darker color first. Tap off that excess, and we're going to take it into the crease because that is the darker color. Just going to work it in there. Probably have to take a little bit more. So what have you been up to during quarantine?
Cooking. Being bored.
Mm-hmm.
Ran out of TV shows to watch.
Alright, so I got that all in the crease there, that darker color, and I brought it a little bit down on that lid. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take probably this. I think I'll take that and then that Femi in the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and take Persona, and that one's going to be more on the lid because it's more shimmery. So it's just going to be... There's a nail. Okay, I like that. Go ahead, open your eye. Alright, so we got that lid color on there. And since it is a little bit higher up, I'll probably have to knock some of it off because it is a little bit high up on there. So now we're going to just go in and take all that old color off. And, oh, I totally missed that. And we're going to go in with that lighter shimmer, Femi. In that corner. So very shimmery look. Because you like shimmers, don't you?
I like all that glitters. I'm a girly girl. I like glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Shine like diamonds.
Oh, God. Alright, so we got that first eye done there. Well, not fully done, but, you know. Okay, so now we're going to do the other eye. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And
You
I'm
have
going
to
to
cut
do
me out
this.
rubbing my eyes.
I'm going to
Hang on,
go.
wait till I'm done rubbing my eyes, then you can do that. Okay.
Let me put this stuff on first. Because usually.
What about eyeliner?
You want to do eyeliner?
I don't know.
Okay.
At least on the bottom.
Well, you're probably going to have to do that.
Oh, you should have done eyeliner first, huh?
No, you don't do eyeliner first. Here.
I can't do that.
You can't?
What do you mean? On the bottom?
Yep.
No, without my glasses. No, I can't do it. Without glasses, I can't do it. If you can't do it, I can't do
Okay,
it.
I'll try to do it. Well, this is a big cut. Okay.
I like my eyeliner on my bottom lid on the inside.
Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and put that mascara on, and then I'm going to do that other eye off camera. Do you have an eyelash curler? I'm not very good at this. Did you get it on there?
Can I have a mirror?
Yeah. This is going downhill. There you go. Okay. Alrighty. What brand is this? Oh, this is a weird brush tip. Eyelashes are a little weird. Okay, I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay. Alright. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera because I don't want this video to be like hours long. Alrighty guys, so I did get that other eye off camera all fixed up. So now I'm going to do her eyebrows Where's your eyebrow stuff? In there. Sorry, we put it away. Okay. Alright. And we're using the Benefit eyebrow stuff, and she uses that lighter color.
Yeah, you can't see my eyebrows because they're gray.
Mm-hmm. She already has some pretty good eyebrows. Just gotta fill in some of the
Gray areas.
empty spots, yeah. I used to be obsessed with my eyebrows. I mean, I still am, but I really can't do anything about them at this point in time. Alrighty. Those are pretty easy to fill in. Look pretty
Look at
good.
that. I have eyelashes. I mean
Eyebrows.
eyebrows.
Alright, now, since we're done with the eyeshadow, we're gonna do some contour. Alright, so we're gonna go in with that e.l.f. palette here. Let's do this different one. Yeah. Yep. So this part, I'm gonna have, okay. Oh, that was a lot. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, I'm making noise. Okay, so I didn't know this product was that strong. And it's not that it's too dark, it's just that there's like... What? I was about to say, I know it ain't too dark. I'll bring that down a little bit on the forehead. So it doesn't look like a straight line up there, you know? Okay. And then down here. So you're gonna go kind of behind that ear and down. Kind of sculpt. And just one more line, then we'll blend it all in. And down. Okay. I think this color is probably a little bit too dark, but it doesn't look bad. I think it's mainly the neck area. That looks a little weird.
I don't want to look weird.
Alright, looks fine. Okay.
Does it look fine? Really?
Yes, it does look fine.
I wish somebody could answer me.
It looks fine. Alright, so now we're just gonna do the blush. Wash things off there. Oh, we need the highlighter first. So for the highlighter, you're gonna take this looser brush here. This one actually. No. I'm gonna go in with this loose brush. And we're gonna use this shade right here, Impulse. And you just take that. Alright. She's glowing, Mom. Alright. Just on that brow bone. Alrighty. Back in there. Where did it go? I don't know. And then the lips. Which one would you like? That one? Alright. We're gonna go in with this just Neutrogena gloss. It's just a gloss, pretty much. Alright, and now we're just gonna take the biggest brush and just kind of blend everything in, you know? Alrighty, we'll do that. Which one did you want?
The sweetheart.
Sweetheart? Alright, we're gonna go in with that Sweetheart blush and again with the Profusion palette. Get that apple of your cheek. Do you know it's called an apple?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Get the apple on it. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. So now the final thing is setting spray and she will be all finished, alright? So, alright. And that is the finished product. Here, let me do this. So just that pink eye, eyebrows, and there you go. So, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And maybe I'll do another video with my mom. I don't know, sometime. Alright, bye guys.
Have a good day.